The culture has changed in competitive airsoft. There's a certain level of trust to be expected that the opposing team will call themselves out when they're hit, because this game is inherently difficult to referee. We aren't playing for cash prizes or anything of tangible value, aside from glory. But what is that glory worth if you cheated to get it? Now more than ever, players are blatantly cheating in competition because winning at any cost is more appealing than actually becoming the best. The match you're going to see is a product of that mentality. Before we get into these uncut tournament rounds, make sure to check out my sponsor LA Airsoft if you want to build all the cool stuff that I use. I also want to thank my patron and channel members who made this video possible by paying my tournament fees. Thanks guys.
Frank, look, I got a buff on my pistol.
Yeah, what?
I got a buff on my pistol. Look at the floor.
Oh, what the hell?
That's anime shit. Expect him to hit Adam, okay? Watch for Adam. Yep. Adam! All right, hey, what the fuck? Pull him, pull him! Adam down, kill one! The one! Hey, kill three, kill three! Hey, Ray Castle, Ray Castle! Was that 5 up? 5 up. Domination.
It's called SoCal Champs for a reason. Bye.
Hey, they doubled that.
They got too full.
I know. I shot the fuck out of Adam. Hey, 100%, 100%. Where are you leaning? Okay.
I'm gonna.
Hey, no calls or majors. Hey, hey, pull his ass out! Snake 50! Snake, snake, snake! Snake 50! What do we got, Frank? Talk to me, talk to me! Hurt!
Hey, he went. Hey,
He's on Queen? Hey, home win to the one! The one! The one! Hey, home win to the one, Mikhail! Kill the one! Kill the one! Get out! Hey, scrap it. Run, 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 run. Where? You got lucky this time.
Alright guys, listen up. There's 2 penalties in round 2. Just to start off, both teams had one flag round each, one S1K with the flag game. There was a minor penalty and one S1K. There was a forced trade over on the window side. One major penalty on KSM is
On snake side.
There's a mid shot, no goal on top of the same one on the snake side.
Yeah, but they should have got
One S1K with 145. KSM is minus 45 points.
Minus 45.
Yeah, negative.
All right, lock it in.
Lock it in. Let's
Hey,
go.
they're gonna start playing mad, okay?
They're gonna get mad.
Play tight so they can't trade you. Get out! Get the fuck out! Hey, he was shot way the fuck back here. Kill one! Hey, 100, right side castle! Hey! 200, 200! 200! Oh no, it's Thomas, it's Thomas, it's Thomas! Hey, start sweeping right! Good job, Thomas. I almost killed you. I saw a sliver and I was like, oh no, they made it somehow. Good shit.
KSM with both flag wraps, one S1K with a flag game. Score running at round 4, 225, one S1K, minus 30 for KSM.
Damn, they only got 15 points.
30 for them.
Minus 30 to 220. We won, we won. Hey, shut them down. Let's 4-0 them.
Send them home, boys.
All right, hey, expect fuck shit, okay? Expect them to fucking dump one of us. Eve! 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 He's on Eve, Thomas! He's on Eve! Hey, he's right here! Bye-bye! Hey, off the mask is crazy! Hey, he's still on Eve! No, they're cheating like, dude, I fucking 1-ball-3 in the mask. Just fucking
I hit this guy on Dorito.
It's good, it's fine, we won. That's fine. They're doing their thing.
It's cool, dude.
You're going home.
Hey, it's all good, it's all good.
What do you want?
Yeah, hey, just take my spot at Dorito.
Alright, KSM flag for round 5. Total score after 4 rounds. 255, 1S1K, 60 KSM.
Off the mask is crazy. Woo! There you go.
Push your guards. Good shit, man.
Good job, good job.
I just want to hear the final score.
Again.
How ugly it was.
A lot to a little, to be honest.
And his first 2 rounds getting people pulled didn't help.
Yeah. Wait, what happened?
Those first 2 rounds getting people pulled, penalties.
Yeah.
That set the tone of the game.
Yeah.
This is madness.